Hello, in this video I'm going to go through question 6 on IMAT 2011. So for this question, we are given a table which tells us the number of visitors to a swimming pool last Wednesday at these different times. And we want to know which of these bar charts shows the data from this table. Okay, so what features of the data could we use to figure out which chart it should be? So one easy thing would be to look at when do we have the most visitors. So we can see that the highest number here is the 60 visitors at between 2 p.m. and 4 p.m. Therefore, we would want our tallest bar between 2 p.m. and 4 p.m. So let's see which of these charts is true for. So that's true for A, but it's not for B, and therefore we can rule out B immediately. And for C, we also don't have the highest between 2 and 4. And then for D, the highest is between 2 and 4, and so it is for E as well. Okay, so now what can we do? Let's look at how the number of visitors change on either side of the most popular time. So before the most popular time and after the most popular time. So we can see after the most popular time, we've got the numbers decreasing in each time slot. And that's shown in our charts because we've got the bars decreasing in size. But what about before the most popular time? It's not decreasing as we get earlier. We have this extra high between 10 a.m. and 12 p.m. So let's look on our charts to make sure that 10 a.m. and 12 p.m. is higher than 8 to 10 and 12 to 2. So for A, that is true. We've got 10 to 12 highest. But for D, it's not because 12 to 2 is higher. So we can rule out D with that. And then for E, it is again higher between 10 and 12. Okay, so now we're just left with 2 to choose between. So how can we distinguish between these two graphs? Where are they different? Well, for A, we can see 4 to 6 is lower than both 10 to 12 and 12 to 2. Whereas here, for E, 4 to 6 is about the same as 10 to 12, but it's bigger than 12 to 2. So let's use that. Should 4 to 6 be bigger than 12 to 2? Well, 4 to 6 is 40 and 12 to 2 is 35. So 4 to 6 should indeed be bigger. Therefore, A, which shows it as being smaller, must be wrong. So we can rule out A as well. And therefore, our answer must be E.